Choma is one of the things. Yes, Ken.
So what was the final mojito, please?
A mojito, and I'll get a mango
Savannah?
2 Savannah.
Yes, I'm talking. So 1 mojito
and mango duck.
and mango dake.
And sir, can I heavy on the mint, light on the lemon?
So light on the lemon, heavy on the mint.
And this is food for one,
And this is food for one or two.
including the fries. And then you BBC tell people that Africans are hungry. What is this? Is this hunger? Of course, naipenda Tanzania.
Hey?
Hapa we. Yes, 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 yes.
Shita konke ne paparazzi yakhe uThenji. Nangi paparazzi yakhe. Ngulo sisi lo. Mama pose. Siyamshuta naye. Main object ngulo. I'm good. How you doing? How you finding this day?
Njapa Thenjiwe, naipenda Tanzania, moja.
And the sister who gets shows that are sold out.
Listen, sold out.
Sold out.
SOLD.
Yes.
Sold out.
Ile walk. Na ile walk.
But you only have to be sold out.
Sold out.
Like this. If you're not selling out, artists don't want it.
Ngcono uhlala endlini ungayi eTanzania. If you're not a sister who
You even have a
gets
show in Tanzania if your show was not sold out.
sebefuna ukugilisa manje because nabo abanawo ama-shows are sold out. Bona phela. Totally jealous. Sikuphi la hotel slip away. Slip away into selling out show.
Listen, I love this. Look at how beautiful that is.
Uyiyo ne-model mara bayazi. Uyiyo ne-model awuyisho le. Ayiwe. Ukhambule. Wakakhambula uNaomi.
For what?
Hayi indaba ukuthi akayazi mina. Slipway. Ngikushutile la. Hayi
Siyathetha nathi.
For Moselba, uyayibona Moselba?
Yes.
Shakapha 10 years.
Oh wow. Uhlala eMotherwell.
Bewuhlala phi?
Motherwell, iPort Elizabeth pa.
Yeah.
Kude man.
Uyayazi.
Wena umfengisi.
Hey wena.
Siphansi nemindoda kaloku.
Uyanibona man.
Ukuthi nguwini.
Wow.
ITanzania le.
Imali ayikho. Unayo induku. Phela if unganayo imali banenduku.
Uyayazi maTanzania mo. Motherwell.
Hayi
maTanzania Motherwell pa. Bayayicha man. Kakhulu man. Tanzania bayayicha man.
Sana uzanditsha.
Wena. Wena.
hayi ngathi uyasaba awuyoyika bhuti suba ligwala sukoyika
Andikho likwamna. Ndiyathetha.
Uyabuza.
Andikubelieve ngicela ukuyibona.
Ipipi yangu nkulu man. Wena.
Sasa.
Wafuna uyibona. Chonge apha.
Sasa ndiyibone. You guys drink beer? You drink beer?
Hey, ipipi hapa. Ndafuna i-black label man.
So this is the room where I am staying here at the Element by West Inn, in Dar, and it's been such a beautiful welcome. Please don't mind my bags. They are here already. Yay! I am excited. Let's see what they have here. And the usual. It's the usual. Yep. The safe headrest. What do you call this? The hair thing. The iron, the nothing in the drawers. And the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. Good size. Yes. Look at it now before I take a shower and mess it all up. Yeah. It's a beautiful place. It's a nice hotel. And what else? Welcome to 𝙠𝙝. Yay! So I've got a whole afternoon today to do all the things I need to do. I can actually see the place where I'm going to be doing the comedy from the other side of the hotel. You can actually walk from here. It's not far at all. It's maybe at most a 10-minute walk. And there's the pool downstairs, the pool area, which I will go and visit very soon. It's there. Yeah. What do you think? Are you going to be coming to Tanzania anytime soon? Yeah.